All right, good morning, and thank you for coming to my YouTube channel today. Today, I'm going to show you how to go in and create a page or a brand new page from an existing page using a different key phrase, and show you also how to market that. So I'm going to start sharing our screen. All right, so I have created this page on gaming, and we want to create a new page based on a new key phrase. So a new key phrase that we can use is get paid to play games on. That's a great key phrase to use. We can do paid to game. It has an average of 40 viewers, but it also has 117 people competing for that. So to me, that's a bit high. I like this one, get paid to play games, even though we're using the word games instead of game. Here's another one on how to get paid to play games. There's only 2 competing for that one. That's a pretty good one. There's 478 people looking for that. So we're going to try this one, how to get paid or get paid to play games on. So I'm going to create a new page. And I'm going to put our new gaming system, which is CSPN. CSPN, which is our crypto network. Okay. And the first thing I want to do is come down here and let's do our edit snippet. And we're going to actually have our slug is going to be different from our title. And we're going to use get paid to game. Actually, we're just going to say paid to game. Get rid of the word get. Okay, so it's going to be our slug, even though it's different from our key phrase, and we are going to get some slack on our key phrase because it's not going to match, which is fine. Let's see if that's the right one. Play. All right, I need to go back and change that. Okay. All right, so I'm going to come back to this page here that I already have. And there's a few things I want to take from here. And I'm going to take this right here. All right, so we're going to take this and we're going to bring it over here. And again, we're still going to be modified and edit it. Paste that there. Okay, and then I'm going to come over here and see what else I want to take. And let's take all right. See if it copy. All right, yeah, just bear with me. I am actually getting my car worked on, so I'm having to use the dealership's Wi-Fi. And it's a bit slow. So that's the good thing about working for yourself is you can take your laptop anywhere and work and get paid for it. So it's amazing. So let's come here. And let's take this one. And again, like I said, we're going to be expanding and changing this because we don't want to get scraping content from Google saying that we have an exact copy, um, which we don't. Right now, we're just getting started. And I'm going to get one more thing from this one. So I like this one. I might have to change it a bit. Copy that. And again, and I want to add a different block. Let's use classic since it's what we used before. Okay. And I'm going to remove this picture because I might use a different one. So then I'm going to come here and save draft. And let's see. So we got 387 words. We have no headers, nothing, which is fine. Even though this one is, but it's in a classic block, so it really doesn't count. So our readability is good. Our SEO, let's see what it says. Down here at the bottom. And we haven't used our key phrase. We don't have a meta description, key headings, and images. We're always going to get this because our key phrase and our slug's different, which is fine. But our key phrase is how to get paid to play games on. So we're going to be using that, so that'll change. So, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do my meta description since I already know what that is, and we're going to use our key phrase. Okay. All right, so then we're going to start by editing this first part, and I'm going to start with the classic. So I took this right here and we basically changed it around. And so now I'm just going to delete this one as I go. And then we're going to come here and work on this one. All right, so we're going to actually put a heading here. And we're going to do heading. All right, and let's center this. And then I'm going to actually change the color. Let's do it in blue. Okay. So then I'm going to come here and we're going to modify this. I just introduced a lot of it right here, but we're going to go ahead and break it down. And let's do we'll do a paragraph form again. I might actually use the 2 and to 1. Um, so we basically took care of this. Okay. Well, if I could spell. All right, so we got finished this one. So we can remove that. And we can remove this one. All right. And then let's save our draft. Okay. All right, so now let's go down here and see what our SEO, it looks good. It likes what we're doing. Um, we're going to continue to get this because our slug and our key phrase doesn't match. That's fine as long as I get an overall green and green. I'm okay with that. I have 469 words when we started out with 327, so that's pretty good. And I haven't even changed this, which I think I may not. I might add one or two more. Let's see. You can do clan wars, official tournaments, online gaming. Also, let's put down here, you can also do chats. Okay, so right here, chat room is available. All right. So again, we're going to save our draft. And let's go down here and look at our SEO again and see what we have. We don't worry about the internal links. Okay, so still good. And let's go look at our readability, even though it's green. All right, passive voice, I'm not worried about that. We got 13, they only need 10. Our flash score is 79, which is good. That means it's good to read. It's a good read. It's not going to be boring. So we have everything we need. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to go in and actually put some pictures in. And I'm going to come here and I'm going to go to image. And we're going to go to our media library because we already have several images in there. And we're going to use this one right here. I'm going to put that in there, and I might leave it that size, maybe take it down a little bit, still center it. Okay, even though it's got a different link, that's fine. That's an internal link. We'll come back later and put that in there. I'm going to come here, and I'm going to actually do a gallery and use, again, my media library. And let's find my images for my different gaming systems that we have already out there, like our PlayStation. I know I have that somewhere. I have a lot of images in here, so I just got to find the ones I'm needing. And I want to get my gaming images. Okay. I know they're here somewhere. Bear with me. All right, that's my TV, so they're getting close. Um, there we go. So I'm going to just put in some different games that we have. This one, and then I'm going to put in here Game for Life. And I'll turn it out and create my gallery. Then it's going to show me my gallery. And I want to put this kind of in the middle here and then insert my gallery. And there's my gallery there, shows my images. And then I'm going to put one more right here. And since this is in a classic block, the image icon is different. You're going to look up here and see where your add media icon is. I'm going to click on that one. And again, I'm going to my media library. I already used this one, so let's use this one here. And we're going to put in our alternative text, paid to game. And we're going to insert here. And then we're going to basically position this. I'm going to shrink it down a little bit. Okay. And then I want to see what it looks like. So I'm going to save my draft. And then I'm going to preview it. And let's see what it looks like. See if it looks the way I want it to. Okay, so there's that one. So yes, that looks really good. I like that. So we can close that. So this one is ready to publish. And then we're going to publish this. And so that's how you create a page from an existing page. Fairly simple. So it's ready to publish. It's published. It's ready to advertise. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to my document side. I'm going to grab this permalink right here, copy this link, and then I'm going to go to my Word document. Let's close this one out. I don't need it anymore. Come to my files, pull up my templates, and I'm going to pull up my ads. And I want this one here. Okay. And then we're going to create a new template, a new ad template for this. And these are all the other templates I have. They're fairly easy when I start advertising, but we're going to advertise that page I just created. And so we're going to get to the end here. Okay. And so it should be, yeah. So then we're going to come down here and I'm going to type in gaming is going to be my reference. So I know this is all for gaming. Up here, and I want it to be a bit bigger so I know it stands out. All right. And then come down here and we're going to start with our headlines. Actually, I'm going to paste my link in first for my page. And actually, I'm going to go grab my other link that I have for this one, because you can interchange them once you get it created. Okay. And then my headline. And I'm going to type in headline. Okay. All right. And then I think that's enough for now. So then we're going to do our description. And from there, we're going to just type it. Okay, so there's one right there. And I'm going to up here and save this so I don't lose it. And then all we need to do is start advertising. You can always come back and add more to it if you want to, get you some more descriptions. As you type in and learn different things and do your advertising, you might come up and decide that you find one that's a little bit better. By all means, put that in there. So I'm going to come here to my classifieds and log in. And I am going to go here and post an ad. And I'm going to choose a category. And this one is going to be communities. Let's see what we have in communities. General entertainment. And where's our biggest gamers at right now? Texas. State of. There we go. And my ad title. So I'm going to come up here and pull up my template. And we're going to get this one. Copy. Go back to here. Paste. Asking price. It's free to join. And then I'm going to come back to my template. Get my description. Go back to my ad. Paste it in there. Go and get my link. Oops. And we're going to get our new link, this one right here. Go back to our ad and post our link in there. All right, short, sweet. And then this one, you have to actually put your information in here. You do not want to use your auto responder here because it will change your state. So okay, you don't put that in there because that's where you want it to go. Zip code, don't want to put that in there. So now we're going to do this. Do not change your expiration because this is your free one. And then we're going to do 3, put your key phrase in there, your security code, and then you're going to do your images. And this one allows you to do at least 5. So I'm going to come here and go to my gaming. I'm going to put this one in here. Choose another file. And then I might put a few other ones in there. We're going to go to our TV. Let's put that one of those in there. And let's do our paid to chat. And then let's put one of our wine ones in there. And I like this meme. I'm going to put that one in there. Okay, and then we're going to post this ad. And that's how our ad looks. It's going in Texas. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you, and y'all have a great day.